Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Kaur Guraya and my student ID is 30386690 and I am the student of ATMC Melbourne campus. Today I am going to present video presentation on my favorite leader. Before I head towards my favorite leader, I would like to discuss what the leadership is and who is an effective leader. Leadership is an art of leading without requiring or demanding respect, enthusiasm, or loyalty. It is an inspirational bond between leader and followers with the intention to achieve a goal with their mutual determination. The effective leader is one who catalyzes the commitment and firmly pursue a clear and rigorous vision, stimulating the standard of performance. The leader who inspired me a lot is the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October in 1931 and demised on 27th July 2015. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. His father Jainuddin was Imam of local mosque and mother Ashimama was a housemaker. He served India as the 11th president from 2002 to 2007. He was the Indian president who was scientist and politician and who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He is known as Missile Man of India and the People's President. He received Bharat Ratna Award in 1997 and also many more, including Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration and Veer Savarkar Award and Sastra Ramanjan Prize. Also, he received Von Braun Award from National Space Society. He was a great writer who wrote many inspirational books and biographies. Why APJ Abdul Kalam appeals to me? First of all, his simple lifestyle. Abdul Kalam was noted for his integrity and simple lifestyle. He never owned a television and was in the habit of rising at 6:30 or 7 a.m. and sleeping by 2 a.m. His few personal possessions, like his books and a veena musical instrument and some articles of clothes and a CD and a laptop. At the death, he left no will. All his possessions went to his eldest brother who survived him. After retiring as president, we would often see Kalam in the public queue, and he never flaunting over his past status and asking for special privileges. His being a combination of a great statesman, acclaimed scientist, and a source of inspiration to the young generation. He was a devoted leader and a great scientist who played crucial role in the Indian space programs. He had all effective leaders' qualities such as innovative, developmental, had long-term view of his actions, duty, determination, selflessness, and so on. He was a proactive and devoted teacher with great personality. After leaving his office, he became a visiting officer at the Indian Institute of Management Shillong, the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, the Indian Institute of Management Indore. Also, he taught information technology at the International University of Information Technology Hyderabad and the University Hindu Banaras and Anna University. Here are some lessons that we learned from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like share your ideas, never flaunting over your status or demand for special privileges, work as a team, never stop learning, be proactive and help others. Here is the list of reference which helped me to collect the information to support my presentation. Thank you for listening to me.